Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today we are going to be changing this RCA or VTR slot to a USB slot. Alright, so for the parts, it's for 30 series Alphard or Vellfire, but we are installing it into a 20 series. So let's get to it. Alright, so first off, let's have a look at what we have. Okay, pretty simple, pretty basic. Dual USB slot with light. Okay, and a connector over here. Okay, this is black in color because I can't find one that is cream in color like this. So for those who have a black interior, this would be good, but for mine it will look a bit odd, but doesn't matter to me. Okay, the first thing to do is to remove this panel. Alright, just like that. Then what you do is on the button side, there's 4 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back here. So what you do is you just press it on one side here like this. Okay, once it's out by a bit, then you can just push it out. Alright, then you can just put the new one in. There you go, fitting snugly. Okay, now for the wiring part, this will be a bit more difficult. So for the wiring part, I have a cooler box which is not available in most 20 series. Okay, so you might need to wire it up all the way to the front, which I will explain later. But for me, I'm going to wire it over to here. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Alright. Okay, so I've removed the 4 screws here to actually lift this up. And you have a bunch of wires here, and one of them is free up the negative and positive, so I'll be tapping to this. Okay, so we've routed the wire from here. Okay, and then it goes through the side, and then goes down here and comes here. Okay, so if you are not having the cooler box, so you do not have this point over here, what you can do is you can actually tap it to the 12 volt on this side of your car, and then go through the carpet down below and come out from here. But you might need to extend the wire because the original wire is only just this long. Yep, just this long. Okay, now let's connect everything up. Alright, that's the end of the video. So that's how we install the USB for the middle thing over here that replaces the RCA inputs, alright, the VTR inputs. Okay, so there are those that are selling for the sides as well, and I prefer the middle one because the middle one seems to be a bit more useless to me. The VTRs, I don't use them. Moreover, I've changed it to Android player, so it doesn't work at all for me. I didn't even bother connecting it. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so you have two USB QC 3.0 over here and one interior light, alright, which is actually very bright. Okay, and let's see. You should be okay. So the phone is fully charged, so can't really show it to you, but these two are quick chargers. Alright, if you connect it, you get fast charging if your phone supports it. It's not super fast charging, but it's only fast charging, but it's good enough. Alright, and yeah, I mean, having this here beats having this type of converters over here, whereby we have to plug it in and then put in another socket here, so it looks a bit odd. Okay, this looks better and I kind of like it. Alright, so I was looking for a cream color to match my car's interior. However, apparently cream color is not very popular, so can't really find it. Black color is all there is. Yeah, if your car has black interiors, this suits it perfectly. Alright, so before I end this, let's talk about the cost. Alright, this item itself cost me 99 ringgit, which is roughly about 22-23 US dollars. It's a bit hard to find. The easier one to find are those at the side here. And then the time it takes to actually do this DIY is only about half an hour. Alright, the hard part was actually figuring out how to route the cables on the top here. Alright, because I didn't want to do the extension. But if you are going to install this and you do not have a cooler box like mine, then you might have to actually extend it to the front there where your 12-volt socket is. Okay, do not connect it to these two cables here. Yes, they are positive, negative, but they are not 12-volt DC. Alright, these are 100 watts 100 watts AC. Alright, these are meant for your appliances like your PlayStation and these type of things. Alright, don't connect it here, you'll blow up something. Alright, yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you dislike it, you can always see this, but leave us a comment on how to improve further. Alright, and if you have not done so, hit the subscribe, because every subscription counts, and hit the bell button so you get notified on our next upload. Alright, till then, see ya.